Hello everyone, I'm Cici, the responsible for the product team and second. As you can see, the large touchscreen radio system as well as improve our in-car life. The navigation function can take us to everywhere in a fast and safe way. When we are bored in a long drive, we can use the radio system to enjoy music, songs, videos. For those who can park their car easily, the clear real image shown by the big radio screen. They can park their car easily than before. However, not each car comes with such an amazing radio system. If your car can't do this, it's time for you to update it. Upgrading the whole radio system sometimes will be a very difficult job, but if your car is a BMW, there is a super easy way to upgrade your radio. That is to install an Android radio screen. Look at there, this is the H820 touchscreen unit for the 2014 to 2016 BMW S3 F25. You can easily use it to replace its original touchscreen. Made with a 10.25 IPS touchscreen, not only can you check your information at the best view, but also you can operate the product very conveniently. Since it only exchanges your original car TFT monitor, all original car functions are kept as before. There are two configurations you can opt for. One is with 4-core CPU, 2GB and 32GB. Another is 8-core CPU, 4GB and 64GB. Both are with Android 10 system and can offer stable performance. Just buy at your budget. Our product comes with intelligent and phone integrated design. On one hand, it supports steering wheel control as well as voice control, so you can keep safe drive while you use the system. On the other hand, connecting your phone to the radio, then you will be able to use phone applications such as making phone calls, playing phone music, navigation apps, etc. What's more, we can use it to listen to the music, including the most up-to-date songs. And the app's usage history in the phone also will be kept to make your operation more convenient. Being compatible with original camera and external camera is one of its powerful functions of this unit. Moreover, the big screen shows super clear real image to help you reverse and park the car safely. In order to provide customers with high-quality services, our products have 3-year warranty. At any time, as long as you need it, you can contact us. We will help you to solve the problem in time. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to us. You will find more useful and interesting videos here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.